When you buy a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other electronic device, do you ever think about how and where it was made? And when it breaks or gets old, what happens to it next? Let's go on a journey around the world, tracing the life cycle of a device. The first step is design. A team of engineers, programmers, designers, marketers, business people, and others collaborate to design a device. They build and test prototypes, research what customers may want, and make final decisions about the device's features and capabilities. Next comes manufacture. The company that designs the product may not be the same one that builds it. In fact, the parts in a single device, like microchips, wires, plastic, metal, and glass, might be made in different factories from materials found in different parts of the world. Microchips, including those for the CPU, storage, networking, and graphics, are made out of silicon, one of the most abundant elements on Earth. Rocks, clay, and sand all contain silicon. These raw materials, the rocks and sand, undergo a process to extract the pure silicon. Because the element is so common, silicon mines can be found all over the world. Other materials used in making electronics, including copper, gold, and silver, also come from all over the map. These raw materials are then assembled into various components. This process takes place in many countries. A smartphone CPU might be manufactured in Korea. The screen and memory might be made in Japan, and the Wi-Fi chips could come from China. Once all the separate parts have been built, yet another company might assemble the final device. After assembly, the devices are shipped all over the world to be sold. Once you've purchased a new device, what might happen to your old one? You could put it in the trash, and it would likely end up in a landfill, where some of its chemicals may leach into the local ecosystem. You could recycle it. The device would be taken apart, and all the reusable or recyclable parts would be collected, like copper for wires, gold for connection pins, and aluminum from device cases. Parts that couldn't be reused or recycled would be disposed of safely. A third option would be to donate the old device. It could go on being used by someone else, even someone in your own family. So the next time you hold your device, take a moment to appreciate the world of thought and production that's gone into it.